Hey there, Erica from P.S. I made this. I'm so excited to show you a DIY that's pretty clutch if you ask me. Literally. It's a DIY foldover clutch with our Fab Fit Fun exclusive box. I think you'll dig this one. You can personalize it, you can customize it, make it your own. We've got some amazing stencils, some fun colors. Let's get to this. This DIY kit comes with everything you see here. First and foremost, a pretty amazing foldover clutch. It's canvas, it's really heavy, it's durable, and also it's lined with some cool navy fabric that you can throw anything in. Your makeup, your keys, your wallet, whatever. Anyway, we'll leave this over here because first things first, let's get to the stencils. So we designed stencils that have the alphabet on them, palm leaves because it's summer, and also some funky stars and dots because who doesn't love stars and dots? I think we're gonna go with the palm leaves here because it's summer, they're fresh, they're fun. The cool thing about these stencils is that they actually are stickers. They will stick right onto this. Let's get started. So I'm gonna take this leaf stencil. I'm gonna peel off the thin plastic backing, and I'm gonna stick this right on to the material in the place that I want it to be. Now that a couple stencils are on here, you're gonna give your paint a shake. After this sets for, I don't know, maybe about a minute or so, very slowly and carefully, pull from one side and remove the stencil. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add more stencils. And a couple finishing touches. Now, if you ask me, this looks like a pretty darn cool fold-over palm fronds clutch. And when people ask me where'd I get it from, obviously I'm gonna answer, P.S. I made this.